So guys, for the first step, once you're on Character.ai, you want to look at the top left, this button right here. It's next to the refresh button. It's going to be saying view site information. You want to click on this, and now you want to click on cookies and site data, and then click on manage on device site data. You want to delete everything that comes up here, and then click on done. Now for the next step, we're going to click on this again, view site information, and now you want to click on site settings. And then once you're on this, you want to click on delete data, and then click on delete. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.